Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I want to show off a new backpack I recently purchased. The River Country Products 65 liter backpack. It's the only one on their website. And I thought I literally just got this. Today is Friday, the 7th, January 2021. I'm actually surprised I got the year right. I ordered this Monday morning when my stimulus came in, and then I had it on Wednesday. And because I had to work Wednesday, Thursday, I finally came out today, Friday, shot the video. So it hasn't seen any dirt time yet. I'm really looking forward to getting it out. Really like the colors. But I'm going to dive right in first to price and weight of the pack before I go over all the features. So this backpack is listed on their website, which I'll link in the description, as $65.95. After shipping, I paid $70.32, and the shipping was free because of how much I paid for it. It was free over a certain amount, and then I had it, literally I ordered it Monday morning. I had it Wednesday afternoon before I went to work, and I start work at 1. So, great shipping. It was brought by U.S. Priority Mail, United States Postal Service. Came in, just dropped it right on my doorstep. Did a quick knock, unlike Amazon drivers. Shame on you guys. So, great shipping. It was the same thing with the other products I have. I had it in like 2 days, so really cool. So anyway, pack. So I looked up on Amazon some comparisons between this and some other packs. Now I just went to Amazon, I didn't sign in, and I looked up. So I got 6 packs I wanted to compare price and weight to, for those who are going to say, well, $70 is kind of expensive. Or the others could say, well, 3 pounds 10, that's kind of heavy. So I looked up an Osprey Atmos, A-T-M-O-S, A-G, same liters, listed, $269.90. I'll say that again so you don't have to back the video up because you're like, wait, how much? $269.90. And the weight was 4 pounds 5, so 4.5 pounds. And by the way, I'm not trying to say that any of these packs are bad. I don't actually own any Osprey's packs, but they might be wonderful. I'm just giving you some comparisons. Teton Sports 4600. It actually listed 65 liter plus 10, so I don't know if it has like an unzippable compartment for more storage, but it was $111.36, and it came in at 5.25 pounds. Teton Sports 4000. It's better priced at $87.62, so just a little bit more money, but it was 5 pounds as well. 5 pounds for that. Another one, it's I'll do that one last. So Mountaintop 65 liter, $65.99, better price, 4.9 pounds. And then the Amazon Basic 65 liter, $71.56, also a reasonable price in the same range, but it was 5.1 pounds. So of those 5 packs, this one comes in lighter, and I suspect why, which I'll go over when I talk about features. There was another one too. There was a 60 liter from a company called Beseech, so Bravo Sierra Echo Alpha Sierra Hotel. It's a Chinese company, and it was only at $43.99, and it only weighed 2.2 pounds. So that was just a quick Amazon search. I went to the first page, it came up, looked up 6. You're welcome to go to Amazon and look up prices yourself. I encourage it actually. So you can see I'm not trying to pull a fast one on you. I went to ULA's website and looked up their packs. Now they had a circuit that was 68 liter, that was 2.6 pounds, nice and light, but it has a $270 price tag. So $200 more for a 68 liter, but it's only what, a pound, pound 4? So 1 pound, 1.4 pounds. It's not worth $200. And not that they're saying that they're great. I've heard a lot of great stuff about ULA, so I mean, I'm not saying that they're bad packs, but I also looked up their Ohm 2.0 on their same website, 63 liter, and it had 2.2 pounds, but it was $225 to $240. So $225, between $225 and $240. So that's a little price comparison. All right. Okay, so here's a better look at the pack. It has a top piece right here, which has a pocket on the top, which, you know, you can see my whole hand fits in here. I have big hands. You know, it's not a huge place, but you can probably put snacks in here or whatever. There's a pocket on the inside, right here. So for additional whatevers. And I have big hands. I guess you can't see that. I have big hands. You can see my whole hand goes inside. This is removable, which I don't mind. It's actually kind of a nice feature. Has these two lengthwise pockets here on the front. And honestly, these are not that big. I mean, that's about, you know, I can get a hand in there, but you know, these aren't super big. But depending on what you're going to carry in there, for example, you can carry like silverware. So I walked away, so I have like a little knife throw in there. A Mora would fit in there. Uko Sport. Maybe some fire making. Ferro rod. So for that, the bottom, there's two straps right here which are adjustable, which is nice because you can hang a sleeping pad on this. And then you have a pouch here on the bottom that has a for your sleeping bag, and they have a zippable pouch right here that separates the pouch separator. Like, I have a big sleeping bag because I'm basically, you know, I mean, let's be honest, I'm fat and I need a bigger sleeping bag. So if I was trying to shove a sleeping bag in here and it wouldn't fit, I could always just go from the top and just remove the separator and just go all the way down and just zip it up. So that might be an option. Now, I kept wondering what this poofy part here is, and then I realized, oh, it's got a built-in rain fly, which I believe can be separated. So like spring and summer when you don't need it. It's only held on there by this. Can you remove this? You know what? I don't think you can remove this. I think it might actually be unremovable. They should have put a clip on there so you could just take it off. It's probably so if it opens up on the bottom, like it gets caught on some brush, it won't come, you know, you won't lose your rain cover. For some reason I thought that was removable, but it has a nice big rain cover, which is nice. Don't mind that at all. Save you the cost of having to go and buy a separate rain cover. It just, you know, shoves back up in here. And it has a Velcro closure here at the bottom. So you can just close it down. It would have been nice if they'd put a zipper pocket on there just for security, but, you know, whatever. Each side has a retention strap, I guess. Okay, so there's side straps, and then there's a mesh expandable pocket, so I could put a water bottle here, and then on the other side I could strap on my Gransford's Brooks Forest Axe and just put the handle down in the pocket like I do with my Kelty pack, and then I can attach things on the side, which is really nice. I like there's a middle strap here that I think goes to the top up here, so if you decided to run, no, I guess you can't. I actually don't know what this goes to. Is there something underneath? So there and there. What's this other one go to? You know what? I don't know what this goes to. It hangs on the bottom, but it doesn't say what it doesn't. There's nothing it clicks to. Because this one up here, on the underside, there's this one here. But this doesn't clip. This doesn't fit in here. So I hope you can see that. That's kind of strange. Well, anyway. So it has a cord for no reason that I can tell yet. Why is that on there? That's going to bug me now. It doesn't match with these side ones. Okay, so it does match with the side ones. So maybe you can attach something else. So go from bottom up to the top. But why would they do that? Alright, well, whatever. Because it doesn't even click on the inside. It doesn't click on the inside either. Well, okay. So this is hydration. There's a hydration pouch back here for hydration bladders, if that's how you want to roll. I've often stuffed stuff back here that was thin, like tarps or trash bags. It's kind of dark, but I got a flashlight. So there's the inside, if you can see that. So nice, not a lot of pockets, but more pockets add more weight. So the back side, of course, you get your waist belt. Just one of those days. So it's actually a split waist belt, which I thought was really interesting. And it's adjustable, so you got your adjustment here, and the table's got dirt on it, and then there's actually a pouch here on the front strap, so you could put like a compass in here, like a Silver Ranger. This is what that is. Not the widest shoulder belts, but they'll probably serve. It's got a whistle built into the sternum strap, which will be actually my first pack that has that. D-rings already sewn into the strap here. So if you're going to be hanging like a water bottle from here, you already have the D-rings, which is nice. Elastic here and here for your hydration hose, if that's what you wanted to roll with. Of course, you got the adjustments here on top, so you can adjust these shoulder straps to a comfortable fit. And then instead of going with one of those like hard plastic handles, I actually have a stitched on carry handle, which I don't mind. Just it saves weight, and it also saves cost by not adding a bunch of crap on there that you don't really need. So it looks like, and then there's the I guess you can't see that again. Yeah. So underneath the pad right here, so that's for the small of your back. You got the aluminum stays, help support it, which run all the way up to the top. And then, there's a it's probably for the, it feels like there's something plastic in here, probably to add the stability. But there's an adjustment point right here, so you could probably adjust this up and down for a better fit, which I'll have to play with when I finally get it loaded up. Let's see, is there anything else under here? I've got a Velcro holder underneath the pad. So you could probably actually stick something back here, small and light, so you can get it out of your way. Looks like, I'm trying to tell if these are adjustable. They got these two straps here, but there's no well, two buckles. I don't know what they're called, so I don't know if you can see that, but they don't really seem to go into anything. Man, this table's filthy. But maybe you can hook something on there and simply bring it around. So has the shoulder strap here, but you could probably run some webbing through, and maybe have an additional attachment points. This still is confusing, man. I might send them an email again and ask them what it's for, because I don't see anything else. Oh, I know what it's for. Okay, I'm dumb. Durr. So you got it on film. Mark's dumb. So it's for this. It's for the top, and now we can cinch the whole thing down. So, okay, that's what it's for. Alright, so okay, so I just realized there's on the waist belt there's these two hang-offs, and they match right up with these, so you must be able to hook these on for a little bit more stability while you're walking. Give it and you can adjust them so you have a little bit more stable. You can really lock it into your waist, so if you're carrying a lot of weight, like I sometimes tend to do, and it's the same on both sides. Okay, so that makes more sense. Like I said, I literally just got this a few days ago, so I'm kind of learning its little nuances. I'm a little worried about the waist belt not being able to go around me because I'm pretty fat, but once I get it adjusted, you'll definitely be seeing this on the next on a future outing for sure. So well, that's the pack. Looking forward to getting it out. Probably my next trip, like I said. And I don't just buy gear just to do videos. I actually buy gear for my enjoyment and getting out in the woods and getting it done. So, you're definitely going to be seeing it on outings. Looking forward to it. Looking forward to getting all the little kinks worked out. Seeing if the waist belt's going to be an issue. I'm hoping not. And it's going to have to see some dirt. And I'm already planning on doing a year with the gear, so we'll, which I haven't been doing. I need to get on that. Get caught up on those videos. As always, links will be in the description for the pack and the company. And I thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.